Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Sometimes teacher gives you a choice. She says, come on, let's write about pet. And we love to keep pet, all of us, isn't it? There are a whole lot of pet children love to keep. It may be a dog, it may be a cat, it may be a bird, it may be a squirrel, and so on. Some will say fish. So, keeping pet in the house, taking care of a cat or a dog or a fish or a squirrel or any animal, it's very good. It will help you in the caring of pet, it will help you to be a better child. So, you are not only, mommy takes care of you about your food and how you take care, and here you are, as small as you are, learning to take care of an alive, a cat, a fish, to keep them comfortable, to feed them on time, to keep them happy, to keep the fish tank clean, to keep the dog alert, train the dog, train the cat. So, having a pet is good for you because you are caring for something alive. You are taking responsibility over something. So, most of the time the children will say, oh, I wish I had a little pet cat to cuddle, to train, to play with. Sometimes you will say, oh, I wish I had a little pup. Puppies are so friendly. They are so friendly, they go with you wherever, they protect you. Oh, I just love to have a pet. Some child will say, I love water. A little water and a couple of fish, that will go to make me a happy person. I love to change the water, I love to put little things for the fish to eat and things like that. Or somebody might say, oh, I love to have a little bird, a myna or a parrot. I like to hear it. I would like to train it, talk some words. And it's exciting. When you get the bird to say a word or two, it's very exciting. So, different children have different love for pets. But you can choose. But when the teacher says write something, you got to choose a pet, an animal or a bird, a fish, and then you say why you like it. Then you can say who gave it to you or from where did you get it. Then you can give it a name. Now what will you do? Supposing it's a puppy, you can say my uncle gave it to me on my birthday. You can give it a name and then you can say how many days old, how old. You can say how the pup's mummy looks. Then you can say what he likes to eat, how you train it and things like that, and what you do, how to keep the dog comfortable, things like that. So, when you have to write about a pet, you must have the pet, the name, where you are going to keep in your house and how you will take care and why you love it. Okay? So, now today we will learn to write about my pet cat. A pet is always a friend who goes with you. Okay? So, and it gives you comfort, it keeps you happy. So, my pet cat, my pet cat. Children always love cats. They are so soft and cuddly, and they say a cat is nice to keep in the house because now we live in a very crowded place. There is always my little mouse trying to enter, creep into your house, and there you have your pet cat to keep the rat away, to keep your house clean. The cats are very clean animal, they say. Now, when you talk about cat, it's a domestic animal. It needs to be trained. The cat needs to listen to you. So, mommy is training you, teacher is training you, and there you are training an animal. That is good for your brain, good for you. Now, my pet cat. I have a pet cat given to me by my uncle. Okay. My pet cat. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. And you love the cat. Now, who gave it to you? It was given to me. It was given to me by my uncle. My uncle, he says, oh, you love cat. And the big mama cat gives birth to kittens. I will choose one for you. And there you are. You love how to have a pet cat, and here's your uncle who gives you a little soft kitten for you to take care of. Now, when you get a cat, when you get a pet, you love to give it a name. Now, what's the name now? I have a pet cat. It was given to me by my uncle. I call her Coco. That's your pet name for your cat. I call her Coco, come here, and the Coco will come. Okay. Now, how does the little pet cat look? How does she look? Now you can say she has green eyes. Green eyes. The cat with green eyes really look nice. Then, and a white brown fur. How does she look? She's got green eyes and a white, and you can say a white fur. She's fluffy fur. She's white all over. She's got green eyes. What's her name? Coco. So, I have a pet cat. It was given to me by my uncle. I call her Coco. She has green eyes and she's got white fur. Okay, what else? What kind of a cat she is? She's very tiny. Yes, she's very brave. She is. She is brave. She is very brave and she doesn't get scared. She is brave and does not get scared of, let's say if you have a dog at home, she doesn't get scared of dog. She's a very brave person. Now, what does she like to eat or drink? She loves. What does she love? Your pet cat. She loves milk and fish. What does she love? She loves milk and fish. When mommy is frying fish, what does the little pet cat do? Run into the kitchen asking mama for it. So she loves to drink milk. What else she likes? She likes to play about. She loves to drink milk. She loves to eat fish. She enjoys playing. How does she enjoy playing? With what? Playing with her own tail. She enjoys playing with her own tail. She goes round and round playing. Okay, what else? What else you do? What do you do with her when you come from school? I take her out for a walk. I take her out. I take her out. Do you take her in your hand or in a basket? I take her out for a walk in a tiny basket. So you love to go for a walk, you take a tiny little basket and you take the little cat for out. Okay. Now, she is very clean. Your cat is very, yes, she is neat and clean. She is neat and clean. Your cat is neat and clean. How does she clean herself? She is all the time rubbing herself. She is neat and she clean. Now, where does she sleep? She sleeps under my cot. I put a little rug there. She sleeps. Where does she sleep? She sleeps under my cot. And what do? I am all the time looking at her, Coco, and she comes running. Then, what does the family do with your cat? My family loves her because she keeps the mice away. My family loves Coco because she keeps the mice away. What does she do to the mice? She keeps the mice away from the house. So everybody says, oh, what a cute little thing. Now, she is a cute little pet. It's a cute little pet. I love her so much. So, what did you do? You wrote about your Coco. Now, you love to have a little pet and that's your little cat. Okay? So, I have a pet cat. What do I call her? I call her Coco. Who gave it to you? My uncle gave it to me. How did uncle know that you love pet? You might have visited uncle and uncle might have had a cat and several little kittens and you might have said, uncle, please give me that white little, the little one with green eyes and white fur. And so there is uncle who gives it to you. So it was given to me, my uncle. Then when it comes home, what do you call her? I call her Coco. You love to eat chocolate. So remembering chocolate, you tell, I love to call her Coco. Then how does she look? She's got green, beautiful eyes. She's white fur all over. She looks lovely. Then what is she? She is not scared. She's a brave little kitten and she does not get scared of dog. There's a little dog in my house, in my neighbor's house, not scared, brave little one. Now what does she love to? She loves to drink milk and fish. She loves milk and fish. What does she enjoy? She enjoys playing with her own tail. She keep on bringing her tail out and she keep playing with her own tail. Then what do? When I come from school, I take her out for a walk because she is too tiny. I take her in a basket, tiny basket. Then she is clean and neat. She is all the time cleaning herself. They say cats are the cleanest animal. So she is all the time neat and clean. She sleeps under my cot and I keep looking at her all the time. What do my family say about her? My family likes Coco because she keeps the mice away. When little rat comes in, she gives one dart and there they go away. Then she is a cute little pet. I love her very much. Now like this, you can write about a cat, dog, you can write about a bird and what you do with it. You can elaborate on it if needed.